Stop by and take a look at the 2020 CLS class. Simple infatuation quickly becomes an unwavering devotion. Comes with abundant power with quick steering that offers great feedback. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, turbocharged, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, integrated turn signal mirrors, four-wheel disc brakes, LED headlights, variable speed, intermittent wipers. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.